Welcome to the Catbird Quilts. I'm Kathy Martin, and I don't know about you, but I'm only a part-time quilter. I'm also a full-time healthcare worker, and well, I have a full-time life. And sometimes I don't have a large block of time to do my quilting steps. So today I'm going to show you how to take 5 minutes and sort and store your fabrics. So I've got my wrinkled work clothes in the dryer, hopefully shaking the wrinkles out, and I've got about 5 minutes. And instead of getting on my phone and surfing Instagram, I'm gonna take a few minutes, 5 minutes actually, and sort and store my fabrics so that I can make a dent in the mess I've made for myself and get myself further down the road in my quilting. I have this really bad habit of when I get done with a project or done picking fabric, I just stack my fabrics on top of where they belong, which doesn't make any sense. What happens is exactly this. Now I have a fair amount of work here and yuck. So like they say, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. If you've seen my video, how to store and organize fabric, I have them in warm color, cool colors, and neutrals. And for my 5 minutes, I'm just gonna focus on the warm fabrics. And it will get rid of some of this pile and it will make me feel accomplished and work me down the road in my quilting process. So let's do that. So I'm just gonna quickly look at my fabrics. This is cool. This is warm. This is neutral. Neutral, cool, cool, etc., etc. You can see it does not take me long to know what my warm fabrics are and what my cool fabrics are and what my neutrals are. This one is always tricky. I put it with the greens, but I always feel like maybe it belongs somewhere else. So I've got my already, look at that, just in that very short time, I have my cools, my warms, and my neutrals. Ooh, look at that string. All sorted. This is neutral, neutral, neutral. So here we go. I'm gonna put these fabrics away. I have organized my tote here in kind of color order so that I can do, this is how I choose my fabrics. And now it's like I'm reverse choosing. At work, we call this reverse shopping. When people get things and they bring it to the counter and they want to pay for them and then they realize either they don't have the money or they change their mind and then they walk away and leave their Neutrogena face soap and their expensive shampoos sitting on our counter and then we have to put them back. Actually, that's not going to fit and I'm going to use that. Well, I'll go ahead and put it. So I'm gonna save my cool color for another day. Same with my neutrals. I have some yardage that I'll put in a totally different tote. And now we're done. So all my warms, all my yellows, all my orange, and all my red are put away. So I've put all my warm fabrics away. I'm left with a third of my pile is gone. I think I hear my buzzer, dryer buzzer in the background. I'm Kathy Martin. This is the Catbird Quilts. Thanks for watching. Make a dent.